Hi, this is Nathan. Thank you for visiting my website. I just want to give you a quick rundown of how exactly to use the website. You can check out previously designed price guides. So you notice that you got some buy this buttons. You want to click on one of those that correspond to the product that you're looking to buy. So after completing the purchase in PayPal, it'll send you to this form where you can upload your logo, and you can use different formats if you want. You'll specify your name. You can add in any kind of instructions you want. Click next, and it takes you to another opportunity to pay if you haven't already, or if you already have, you can just skip that and it takes you to final thank you. That sends me to the details and allows me to customize it for you.